Beautiful 4-bedroom/3-bath new construction in Cottages on the Greene, an exclusive gated community located in Foley. A split floor plan with large living room area that leads out to a spacious front porch. In addition, the home has a side porch off the kitchen and another one off the dining room. Home features white quartz in kitchen and baths, stainless steel appliances, spa tub in the master suite with a separate shower, and large walk-in closet plus much more. Home is built Gold Fortified. Neighborhood amenities include outdoor pool, clubhouse with banquet/meeting room, full kitchen, and fitness center. Photos are of a similar home and not the subject property.